Hey guys, Cat Kerr here, and today we're going to be making this Tiny Tales resin book cover. Today we're using Amazing Clear Cast and Amazing Casting Resin. Casting resin is a two-part resin, 1-to-1 ratio, cures to an opaque white in about 10 minutes, and it's great to use in molds. Amazing Clear Cast is a clear and self-leveling resin, two-part resin, 1-to-1 ratio, and it cures in about 24 hours. So before we get started, I wanted you to meet Tiny. He's a new addition to our family. He's a Chihuahua and he weighs about 3 pounds, and he inspired this journal. I found these wonderful Chihuahua molds on Etsy and I knew they would make a great focal. Here I'm taking 2 equal parts of Amazing Casting Resin, adding dye to 1 part, mixing it thoroughly, and then combining the 2 and pouring them into the mold. Next, I'm taking 2 equal parts of Amazing Casting Resin again, using a different dye and pouring it into this book mold. I peeled out the already cured Chihuahua mold, and because I had some leftover resin, I added it to the center heart of the Chihuahua. Next, I figured out the location of my Chihuahua and then added some rub-on letters. Here I have 2 equal parts of Amazing Clear Cast. I'm adding glitter to 1 part, mixing it thoroughly, and then combining the 2. Anytime you add something to the resin, make sure you're scraping the sides of the cup. Next, I pour some into the mold, and this will make my back cover. I also add some of the same mixture to my front cover, sealing it entirely. As you can see, I added a little resin bone to the back of the cover. I created it the same way I created the Chihuahua, by adding some resin to a mold. Next, I need to make the page inserts. I simply use one of the covers as a template. I added some rings, and this little journal is complete. This video is brought to you by www.moldputty.com.